Now one guy will say I like and I respect so much, but I don't tell them say me they call me. If I never clap for them, you know go like which I want to. Because I tell them they call me to perform for midnight again. They make I perform early because I'm a small boy, it's past my bedtime. Yeah, because they can only try this with big comedians. You get one art video they don't try with. Keep her for backstage since 10. Portable. First of all, I saw a portable day backstage. You don't get like, Papi, you say you know what? I did backstage, you don't got me. Now go keep. Backstage, I tell you, you know what? You want me? All these comedians can't say they talk about yams and breasts. Can't you pray? Can't you praise God? Can't do that meaningful things? Imagine portable for Big Brother house. Maybe portable come the end of house. Big Brother will just say, portable. Report to the diary room. Yeah. Portable will come sit down. Big Brother will just say, portable, what is the problem? Portable will be like, Big Brother, they want to say house you. They want to say house you. And they follow you tag right now. Messi don't put this house for Gigi. If they send this house for my back, that boy, even this joke why they do now at risk. The guy feel coming tomorrow. Kennyblaq, you want to read me in you? That boy, the only person where police want arrest, they're sick. They just go meet and say, what people that the only guy will believe say, anybody wants to see I'm supposed to pay. Because he's the guest artist. Make DPO pay to see you. They say, portable, you're under arrest. DPO wants you to pass, I don't want to pay. No, pay to pass. Tell us, wait, come. They want Jesus. Papa, they call up, say, no, portable is going with us. They call the drop portable, the drop portable, the drop portable. You want to arrest me? You know what I mean? I'm a baboon. I live in the zoo. The zoo. They say go come by himself. Portable are the first guy when they go prison, they do video. I go by the name of Lalo. You don't go jail before. You tell your family you don't go prison. You are in a jail. You are in a prison. I go jail. Yeah. About the third portable saying we use 10 years for prison. For the first time the voice come down. That guy is the only artist where they freestyle past Magneto. The guy feel like song now. Song where no play. The guy say ready. You dey so glad. Along that and I make it say for this so they go collect this. Pokota me the can't say oh boy. May God help you. That boy. They're supposed to award for that boy. Imagine they nominate Portable for award. Imagine Portable are the only guy who's supposed to go to America. But we guess as well. Imagine Portable. They nominate you for Hades. You threaten your nominees. How they going to nominate you for street, best street? You do video. They don't nominate us. They don't buy phone and they come back. When they say they give another person, they go say me they kill him. Now then they call Edis. Please, can you take me out of the category? I rather leave than the award become a tribute. Yes. It's best street. Yeah, best street. Yes, not yes. They know allow go. All those people will go, they call the shade down. We are in America, where are you? Our music is going places. Look at Wizkid. Look at him. Yeah. He said, Papa even see drops of I'm bigger than the Edis. They go to collect Grammy. You did there when people don't collect Grammy. You see Wizkid now they do well. Beyonce come feature Wizkid. By the way, sir, if I catch Wizkid, you know it. One. Wizkid. Wizkid is racist. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accent. American artists, accent. You go use diction. Totally me one time. Totally me 2 times. Totally me 3 times. Totally me 4 times. What is telling you? You want to sing with Beyonce? Wizkid they do brown skin girl. Brown skin girl like pearl. Best thing of the world. I said I wish they do world. Why not you do totally me 1 time too? Very anyhow. I don't know they call the feature artist. Imagine say right now that even American artists they with me come America, make the future. So therefore, for again what I want to do for America, Usher request for Portable. I don't no jokes. Why is it a joke? Imagine this kind of word now. Usher just comes and say, yo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Portable. Even he said, Bishop, how are you? He said, me, yeah, Portable. Say, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Portable. In fact, tonight, I'm going to do a song for my brother, Portable. No, my time, no, make it go. Imagine us, I just say, ladies and gentlemen, this song my brother, Portable. And it starts to Zazel, Zaz. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor, Zazel. Aratuko, Chuchuti Zazu, follow. Oh, let's see. Oh, you're getting my ball. Portable, Bado, baby Chabaye. Oh, so teasy. No. Because I know your man, no, I know you. She never seen you. Since she done the chill with Sammy Daddy, Pokuli and Kobagi. Let's go. Now my baby don't deserve you. Okay, this joke is for you. Maybe Tabatim Pokayo. Now my baby don't do who you pass, let you pass, my lady, Kala, that you, who I can. Who showed up on it? Are you happy? And this is for you. Then don't they call my baby? Zekota Zedie. I want they pursue me. Can I do one more? Make her they go. Okay, they pursue me, but I have to quickly do this. Sir, ma, you guys, don't comment, don't forget the next line. We all. I must tell you the truth. I don't travel around the world, okay? Hi. So, bros, you where they pack my money come. Let's take a picture together. Yeah. Where's the photographer? Yeah. All the money. I got share of headline in case I find out. Just love and I go settle this case. I don't know, you have to pack this thing like.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.